Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI. And one thing about me is that I always try to take my vitamins and supplements every single day. And one very important supplement that is never missing from my home is omega-3. This omega-3 is by NatureWise. It has 1,000 milligrams per serving from fish oil plus vitamin E. And you get so much from this bottle because you get 360 soft gels. As you can see on the label, the serving size would be 2 soft gels per day, meaning that you would get a total of 180 servings, which means that this supplement will last you around 6 months, which I think is a big amount. And also, looking at the label, you can see a lot more details on the supplement. You can see other ingredients it has. You can also see which ingredients it does not contain if that is something that concerns you. And I have been very happy using this omega-3 fish oil because I personally do not eat as much fish as I probably would like to. So it is always nice to just get that fish oil from this supplement. And that is my point of view.